Hi, welcome to The Way She Wears TV,
where we talk about all things fashion and beauty.
Today, we're going to talk about the top 7 makeup must-haves for beginners.
So when you were starting with makeup, sis, did you know exactly what you need to put in your face?
Not actually. I think we were teenagers.
I think
we started with
eyeliner,
and we didn't even think about putting
eyebrows.
We didn't even think about eyebrows or putting on concealer
Yeah.
or foundation. We just received an eyeliner, and that's what we started with. But now, of course, we're here to guide you actually to what you're gonna need.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's dive into it, sis.
So the first must-have is actually foundation. All right. So when we talk about foundations, we have to think about our current situation today. So as you guys know, we have to wear a mask every day wherever we go. When we step outside the house, we have to wear a mask. Okay, we're not gonna talk about skincare today,
but that's important. That's another topic.
It's very, very important. It will be for another episode. Today, I would highly recommend a foundation that's actually very lightweight.
Yeah.
If you can find a foundation that is a mix of skincare and makeup together,
then perfect.
That's
the
first. That's the first must-have.
Okay, the second must-have is really a must-have for me, and I think for you also, sis. And it's the concealer. Why do you love concealer so much? I love concealer. I cannot live without concealer.
Yeah, me too. Actually, I don't know. I love concealer, sis. I just love it.
I love the brightness that it brings to your face, not in a here.
Yeah, so right. Actually, even if you don't have any dark circles, I'm sure there will be a day in the week where you're gonna be so tired. You wake up, you didn't have enough sleep. Then that's when you're gonna need the concealer. So I think it's better to have it in your drawer anyway. The third product that you must have is powder. Powder. In today's world, not a lot of people want to use powder anymore.
Yeah, I know, because I just put powder to set my concealer.
Exactly.
And then that's it, because I want that anyway, parang moisturized look.
Yeah, that's actually the tip that we can give you today. Don't over powder your skin.
So the fourth must-have is another favorite.
Complexion.
Yes, complexion. Blush.
Can't live without it.
Yeah, I can't live without lahat.
Okay, that's why it's a must-have. You can go for cream. You can go for tint, like the liquidy kind of blushers.
Yes.
Liquid drops, something like that.
But it's hard to blend sometimes. Yung
liquid. Yeah. You gotta be really fast. But you can also go for
powder.
For powders. Say, let's go to the eyes.
Okay.
That would be eyebrows.
Very important again. Very important.
Eyebrow pencils. Okay, that's very, very important. For those of you who are super lucky and you already have a beautiful
thick brows,
full eyebrows, then you really don't need this anymore. But for the rest of us, we must have eyebrows, especially because I think during the 90s we plucked our eyebrows too much, and some of them did not.
Because that was the trend before, parang panipisan ng eyebrows.
Yeah, exactly.
Like the thinner your eyebrows the better.
Yeah. But I
all wrong.
All wrong. Keep your eyebrows thick.
Okay. So another for the eyes, we're still with the eyes, right? Is mascara. So this one, is it a must-have?
It is a must-have.
Would you say mascara or eyeliner?
Good question. Honestly,
actually, I think you can switch between the two.
Yeah.
Especially at the work, I don't want to wear mascara. Because at the end of the day,
I know what the problem is. It kind of smudges and then it rubs off here and here. And then you look like you have panda eyes at the end of your working day. Yeah. Either a mascara or pencil. So I'm not talking about liquid eyeliners, okay? I'm just talking about a super easy eyeliner pencil.
Cool. Is it last na, no?
Yes. That was fast. All right. So the 7 must-have makeup must-have is of course lipstick.
Yes, it's a must.
It's really a must. You don't know how much you can change. I mean, you can have a fresh, awake look immediately just by putting one shade of lipstick on your lips.
True.
Yeah.
True.
So that's the top 7 makeup must-haves.
That's it.
Yeah.
Do we have a bonus?
Yes, we do. A bonus must-have
Should have been
be
top 8.
But it's because if you don't want the bonus, then it's not necessary. You know what
It's
I mean?
not a must-have.
That's why it's a bonus.
Yeah, okay. It's an extra.
It's an extra. That would be highlighters. Highlighter. Yeah. So if you see us having this glow, it's really because of the highlighter. You can go for different types of highlighters. You can go for powder. You can go for cream.
Because I love highlighter so much, I use the cream first and then the powder.
Yeah, it's layering.
Layering your highlighter.
Okay, but
layering your glow.
But highlighters are really awesome because it really gives you this beautiful glow. You can put it here, you can put it here, here, here. So you look
high
fresh.
points of your
yeah,
face.
you
Guys.
look immediately fresh.
Yeah.
That was the bonus.
Thank you guys for watching.
Remember, those were the top 7 makeup must-haves. So go check your drawers and see if you've got them.
Yeah, see you guys next week.
And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.